I'm gonna show you how to make an air fryer Oreo. It's really easy to do and only takes 3 ingredients. I like that you can change it up just by buying a different type of Oreo. We've made it with regular Oreos and Nutella Oreos. If you end up trying it with a different type, let me know how it turns out. If you like the video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. And as always, links for everything I'm using will be in the description below. The first thing you're gonna need is a roll of crescent dough. I did buy the sheet so it doesn't have the dotted lines in it, but if you get one like that, just go ahead and seal it up before you cut it. So you just wanna roll it out on your surface. And then we're gonna cut it into 8 squares. And if you get the sheet, I do find the very end stays really thick, so I go ahead and just kind of cut that little end off so you don't end up with a really big clump of crescent on the bottom of your Oreo. Once you have it all cut, take the Oreo of your choice. I'm using just regular Oreos. You're gonna set in the middle of each square. And then you're gonna fold in until you seal the whole thing shut. Just like that. And we're gonna put all 8 on one tray. If you go to pick one up and you notice maybe your square is really huge, you can go ahead, cut it down before you fold. Once you have all 8 on your tray, they're ready for the air fryer. You're gonna put them on the middle shelf. And then we're gonna select custom. We're gonna set the time at 10 minutes and our temperature to 325. So the air fryer did beep at the halfway point and you just let it keep going. You don't need to move anything or do anything, but they are done. So once they're done, want to remove them from your tray. I like to use a metal spatula. This is a really big one, but you can use a smaller one because sometimes the crescent dough goes into the little tiny spots of the grate. So a metal one helps get under them really nice. And then if you want, you go ahead and you top them with a little bit of powdered sugar and serve them up. They are best served right out of the air fryer. If you like your Oreo a little cold, they can be good then too, but I love them right out of the air fryer. All right guys, I hope you enjoy these as much as my family has. I'll talk to you next time.